All right, we're on Harmony of the Seas, Junior Suite, Deck 7, Room 242. So 7242, Harmony of the Seas, Junior Suite Tour. Let's go. This has the electricity control, so you need to have a credit card of some sort in there. So when you walk in, the lights came on somehow. I must have touched something.
I did.
Oh, my wife turned the lights on. Okay. Here is the large walk-in closet. It's very nice. Okay, here is your other little shelf with large hanging area and a couple of drawers. Here are some drawers and the fridge right there. Little coffee maker, which will probably move out of the way. We're gonna get to the bathroom in a minute. But look at this. This is nice, bright, modern looking. Here's your TV. A nice couch. We'll get to the bathroom. You have a full-length mirror. And look at this nice bathroom with a tub and a shower. You got the premium amenities, and you have your shelves, granite. Nice, spacious. Okay, let's go check out the balcony. All right, so now we have a really nice balcony. This is a little more forward of midship, but look at this balcony. It's a really nice sized balcony. It has some good depth to it. And you can see all they have is two little chairs and a little table. This would be good for one of the regular tables and chairs. It's big enough for loungers even, but lots of room out here. If this would have had a regular table with regular patio chairs, you could have had a nice lunch on the balcony. And you can see these have the dividers where you can open up. So if you're in an adjacent room to guests that you know, that you can open them up. And this is Galveston, by the way, bonus coverage. Galveston, Texas. It's a 7-night Western Caribbean. So that is your room tour, 7242, Harmony of the Seas. Thank you for watching.